Factory inspection. Conduct one factory inspection upon arrival, and another inspection after 6 months of use. No further inspections are required thereafter. Turn off the machine power. Remove the machine enclosure sheet metal, remove the squeegee sliding rail, slider protective sheet metal, and remove the shading sheet metal. Check the screws of squeegee components, tighten any loose screws. Check the screws of platform components, tighten any loose screws. Check the screws of float components, tighten any loose screws. After checking is complete, reinstall the disassembled parts onto the machine. Repower the machine and restart the software.